what's going on, everybody? So I'm back out here in Myrtle Grove. This is the first trip of this year. Been hearing words that the trout are here, so I'm out here to try to see if I can find any. Be throwing a green beetle with a chartreuse jig head, a 1/4 ounce. So y'all stay tuned and I hope y'all enjoy it. Got him. Feels like a good one. Oh, I snagged him. Foul hooked. I foul hooked him. I think he's 12. He's gonna be short. Yep. Check him out. He's 11 and a half. Got one. Got one. Come on. That's a good one. Oh, it's a redfish. A little rat red. That work. Boom, look at that little rat red. I know he's short, but let's just see how big he is. 15 inches. Check him out. Got him. Got one. About time. Oh, lost him.